Hey guys, so happy my National Music Career Day. So today marks 2 years on this day that I began my music career as a singer-songwriter, and I just worked on my new original song, well, my first original song with my friends from school. So now it's been like 2 years ago on this day today. So get ready with me for my National Music Career Day and the photo shoots while I tell you guys how am I doing with all my things throughout this week. Alright, so let's talk about the goals that I'm going to be doing as of going forward, since I'm no longer going to be quitting music. Now it's been like for the past 7 months that I quit music, but I gave up. I don't have to quit music anymore if I don't want to, but I decided not to quit music, so I decided to go back to making music because that's what's making me happy. And not only making music makes me happy, but to spend more time with my friends makes me happy as well. Well, I definitely want to get more social life and get more song ideas for my new music for every song that I'm gonna be writing about. So that's the goal, is to prove better on my music, just do better. I did better like in the previous ones. Well, the past 2 years that I just did, probably before I began my music career. So for the past 2 years before I start my music career, that's what I actually did. Like figuring out what do I want to write about for my first original song before I began my music career. I did this, and I did that, and it happened. Another goal as of going forward, now I have returned to making music, is that I should get song ideas ready ahead of time. So that way, let's say, oh, I want to write another song, I want to write about this, I want to write about that. So, probably want to get more song ideas, but ahead of time before start writing a new song about what I want to write about. Could be anything. Like I always write great songs. I sing great songs. It really means the whole world of my music career. So that's what I'm going to be doing. That's my next goal. Have those song ideas ready ahead of time before start writing about what do I want to write about. Hopefully ask my friends for probably some help with song ideas. Let's say I wrote this, I wrote that, but I need to get more ideas. Probably I can ask my friends for help. Another fact about my music career is that I like to make music on a keyboard. I just play the piano all the times when I make music. That's what I like to do. I like to make song melody ideas on what my song is gonna be about. What should I name it? That's the fun thing I like to do when I make music. So I'm gonna make music. That's what I like to do. I like to create melodies for every of my music because that's what's making me happy. So as you know, playing the piano makes me happy when I make music and I play songs from artists that I listen to. Let's say music I like listening to. I play songs from other artists other than my original music, which is cool though. It's posting guess the song videos, or maybe I should post song cover videos. I'm gonna try to post song cover videos, right? But I'm gonna tell you guys the goal right now because this is what I want to post so badly, because I've been posting a lot of my vlogs and my main YouTube channel, and of course my music. So stay tuned because I'm gonna be posting song cover videos. Also, 2 years ago on this day, I worked on my first original song called Hearts and Sparkles, but I didn't spoil the name of the song until we figure out the song lyrics that I want to write about. Once again, I didn't spoil it until I figured out and I made a decision. What do I want to name my first original song back then, 2 years ago on this day? Alright, I'm just gonna do the eyebrows, but for me to talk more about this or that about my music career, that kind of wastes my time because I want to get this video done ASAP. So I'm gonna do the eyebrows off camera and I'll come back. By the way, I'm gonna be making a smoky purple eye makeup look for my National Music Career Day, and I'm so excited. I will use this palette first. called Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise eyeshadow palette. Alright, I'm gonna go with this color called Island. This is kind of like lavender purple, light purple, of course. Anyways, like I just talked about, this and that about my music career, that I definitely want to get song ideas ahead of time. Because the earlier I get song ideas, then the more song lyrics I will have. Like, the more song lyrics I will write about for my new song. Because the earlier for this, then the more ideas you'll get for your new song. Because that's the way it is. I think the lavender light purple is good. Alright, so I'm gonna use this palette called the Neon Brights eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna use this, probably like this regular purple. By the way, I did my nails in purple. My favorite color. Hope you guys like it. So cool. Alright, I'm gonna go with this bright purple color. Well, regular purple, by the way. I'm absolutely going to be beautiful for the photo shoots for my National Music Career Day of today. It's gonna be a lot of fun, taking a lot of pictures like last year. If you guys want me to drop my new song in the summer, let me know in the comments below, even though I don't want to spoil this until I show you all what's the name of my song, what's it about, what it means for me. Alright, let me know in the comments if you want me to drop a new song for the summer. I'm gonna go with this palette called Precious Gems eyeshadow palette. I think it has the purple in it. I want this to match my nails that I had done today. Well, probably on Saturday. I just got my nails done in purple. Okay, I'm gonna go with this purple color to match my shirt. And yes, I'm wearing a purple blouse, which is cool. And I'm actually wearing my nails in purple. Just like last year, I did the photo shoots for my National Music Career Day. Last year on this day, I did the photo shoots and it went well good. Like, I like the photos I've been taking, like the poses. Now I'm gonna do it again, but this time like different colors of the background, different styles. Is I want to show everyone the new styles of the backgrounds, the new poses for the photo shoots. Alright, and there's one more palette I want to use to make this like a glamorous smoky purple makeup look. I'm going to use this palette from LA Colors, this 6-color eyeshadow palette. And yes, this includes this purple color. Also, this fuchsia purple, but I'm not going to use it today. But I want to stick with this plum purple color, which is actually a good color. Not using this sponge applicator today. I am sorry, because I want to go with this. Alright. Let's stick with this plum purple color, which is pretty cool. So overall, this week, I am doing good. So I'm up to to do a lot of studying so I could prepare to take the finals. Unfortunately, I am not going out again until after the finals. And if I find out, if I pass all my classes, then I will have the opportunity to go out again because, gotta focus on my studies, do well, study hard. Because the more you study hard, the more you'll do well on your finals. So, fortunately, because of this, except I'm just gonna go take pictures at the photography studio. Yes, I'm going to photography studio later. Except I'm going to school, go to church, and of course, except going to the photography studio for photo shoots or get something to eat, of course. Just because I'm not going out again until after the finals and the end of the semester doesn't mean it's gonna stay like that permanently. No, that's not a thing. But the thing is that I'm going to have to wait for at least several days. That's going to be temporarily until further notice. That means I'm going to have to wait until after I take the finals. Then, once I get all final grades, like good grades, if I pass all my classes and not failing one of my classes, then hopefully we'll go out again and we'll go out and do what we want to do. Yeah, that doesn't mean it's going to stay like that permanently. It's just temporarily until further notice. It's okay though. Alright, in the meanwhile, I'm going to do the eyeliner. And then once I put on mascara, then I'll talk to you guys about my goals, so I can just post my song cover videos sooner or later. Do you guys hear this episode? Like, I had no idea what's going on. But this, I don't want to get a copyright claim, so I'll do the eyeliner on a waterline. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna put on a mascara. But anyways, update. I'm going to post song cover videos on my main YouTube channel sooner rather than later, because if I wait longer, then I won't get any song ideas of what I want to sing. I don't know. I don't care what song, any song I want to sing in my song cover videos, my future song cover videos, but I want you guys to help me improve my audience on my main YouTube channel where I post my vlogs and post my music. If I get 200 subscribers on my main YouTube channel, hopefully I will try my best to post like song cover videos. Like I always watch song cover videos on TikTok and Instagram. Well, apparently the Instagram Reels itself. But I definitely want to do it so badly because 1, I like to sing, 2, I'm obsessed with watching song cover videos, and 3, I have not posted any song cover videos before. Like, I definitely want to do it so badly, and it's all because I like the songs from artists I listen to. This is making me want to sing and this and that, blah blah. So I'm gonna have to try my best to post song cover videos. I'm going to do my best to get more subscribers, because the more videos, the more audience I will get. Alright, so that's what I wanted to do. Alright, so I didn't want to waste my time, like, getting everything ready. I'll do the lashes. By the way, I'm going to be wearing these lashes, and plus, I got the new lash glue like I promised. Alright, so I'm going to do the mascara on the bottom lashes, put on some fake lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just did the lashes, and it went good. Alright, so I'm gonna use the purple lipstick from, I forgot the name of it, but it's called probably 65, my glam lipstick. I think it's from Milani. Alright guys, so this is a finished look, but I'm gonna go do my hair. I'm gonna do another hairstyle. Probably gonna fix my bangs because it's a disaster, because I just washed my hair, and I'll be right back to close this video for today. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Hope you guys like it. Right, this is the hairstyle I'm wearing. Wearing a ponytail with side bangs. And the rings I'm wearing. You guys want to see it? This is what I'm wearing. Alright guys, so fit check. Right here. This is a full outfit. I'm wearing a purple top with black leggings and straps, sandals. The color is rose gold. It's cool though. Oh, I didn't want to forget. I wore like toenails in purple, which just matches my fingernails. Hope you guys liked it. Alright guys, so thanks for watching my makeup tutorial video for today. The smoky purple eye look / my National Music Career Day. Get ready with me as well for the photo shoots. Alright, so if you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up. This will be helpful towards my next video. So make sure to subscribe. Make sure to wish me a happy National Nicole Sensio's Music Career Day as of today. And see you in my next video. Toodles!